Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. Yes, a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Yes, you see a different setup. Now, this year, I'm going to try to actually bring you this type of setup, along with the other one that I used to do where you just hear my voice. But I'm trying to show my face more, so you can actually put my face with my channel, okay? So, yes, this is going to be a little different from me because, you know, I'm usually just sitting behind and just talking and then showing you all the product. So, I'm going to show you my face along with the product, okay? So, excuse me, my voice and my little allergies and stuff, the cold. So, let's go ahead and get to this video. So, the first thing I did, I went this morning and I purchased these items. I seen, I forgot who it was that bought this first video that I seen with the $3 off of 15 for the snuggle. So, what I did was I purchased the big Purcell. This is a 75 ounce of Purcell for $9.95. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is I got the small because you got to get up to $15. And I got this Purcell. It is the 40 ounce. This is $5.50 and it has a $2 off digital. So that's the reason why I purchased these two, because I had digitals on this account, this number. This was my husband's number. So these two right here, yes, this is a good thing if you have for Saturday for the 5 off of 25. If your store has the products, this will be so good to put in and add maybe a little bit more with it so you can get a low out of pocket if you have the coupons. Now, if you don't have the coupons, that's fine too. You can find something else within the $3 off of 15 that actually is, you know, that actually attaches. So always scan with your phone. So on the app, you can make sure that the product and the coupons does attach. So y'all know me. I just don't really go in the store and just pick up 1 or 2 items that is actually a cheap. I always add other stuff. So I found these. These are $2.44, I believe. Yeah, $2.44. This is the Christmas limited edition. These are the fig and plum. These smell so good. I even make cold processed soap over on I have another channel that is Chere'er Boutique. I know this is off the topic, but I have another channel that's Chere'er Boutique, and I do make cold processed soap. So this is this smells just like the soap that I make and I use for the fragrance. But these are $2.44. There is a $3.30 off of 2. It's like a buy one get one free. And I got a little overage because these are only $2.44. And you know, on the overage, it's only going to be on the old receipt, not the new receipts, okay? So you know how that goes. So then I did the cash back. These nerds right here, I got 2 of them. You can get a limit of 5. You can have a cash back for 75 cents, but these are $1.75. Yes, these are expensive. They only make them $1, but still, these are good because me and my husband love these. These come in this blue one, and also they come in a pink. So I went ahead and picked up just 2 and I get my $1.50 back because they were 75 cents for the cash back, okay? Then I had to pick up me some little snacks. These are 59 cents a piece. These are the little small bags, which are $2 for $1 if you get 2. So yeah, my digitals did come off on these, and I did get my cash back on this, okay? So my subtotal was $14.53. If you don't get the chips or the nerds, your subtotal will be $10 and I think 3 cents, okay? But my subtotal is $14.53. Everybody's taxes is different, you know that. So my total savings was $10.30, but I did get my $1.50 back on my cash back, and I will show you on the screen. So let me show you my receipt. I hope you can see that. since the way I'm actually, you know. And then I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So this will be a good thing for 5 off of 25 for Saturday too. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. Just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel. Have a nice day.